So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a 3D AI social media image just by using your phone. So let's get started. To do this, open up Chrome browser on your phone and search Bing Image Creator. Now select this one. As soon as this opens, you need to log in. So you have to create a Microsoft account. After creating a Microsoft account and logging in, you'll be on this page. Now, there's a prompt which I would leave for you in the description below. You can copy from there, just paste that prompt over here. And here you can see I'm going to make the logo for Facebook. And if you want to make it for WhatsApp, you can change this. And here, after at the rate, you can just write your name. Now, let us just click create. Now, let's wait a moment and see the results. Now you can see it has created a very beautiful ones. So let me click this one. Wow, what a beautiful image. To download this, click this download button and you will be able to download this. And this image has been downloaded. Let's create this for WhatsApp. Now just replace this Facebook with WhatsApp and let us change the name to, now I can see, let's Mr. Z. Now let's create. Click create and just wait a moment. Wow, what a beautiful 3D. And out of these I like this one. So let me just download this and download. Okay, so let's just create one for Instagram now, and the name Mr. Z is okay, or let me just change the name to maybe you can use any name like Daniel. I'm just using this name Daniel, and let's create this. So wait a moment again and let's see the results. These are basically so beautiful 3D AI profile picture for your Insta you can use. And out of these, all of them are beautiful. So I think, oh, that's created for Twitter. Oh, this one. I like this one. So that's very beautiful. And it's just representing Daniel hair and everything. Let's just download this one as well. Now you can see for Twitter or for X. For X, so the name should be this time the name should be David AS. Let's see. Meanwhile, you just need to wait and see the results it creates for you. Oh my god, that is I think we just missed to make it understand. Let's change this X to Twitter so it might then understand it better. So create again, and now I think it would be a better one. So let's just wait and see. How that is it. So out of these, I like out of these, let's choose which one. Oh, this one. So that's a beautiful one. And all right, I just need to download this one. Click download. Yes, allow. I think okay, allow. Try again. What's happening? Okay, let's just cancel it once. I think we have downloaded it already. So thank you everyone for watching this video.